I hope I don't get a ticket parking here. Hey, Antonio, is the recording on? Hello and good afternoon to all you Facebook users. You probably don't know it right now, but there's a big secret being hidden away from you. Did you know that for every single picture that you post for free, someone gets paid for it? Every time you open an account or make a comment or like a post, someone's getting paid for it. But you're not. How many followers do you have? 100, maybe 1,000, and not even getting a dime for it? Imagine being able to control your own privacy on your social media. Imagine every time someone comments on your post and shares your post, you start seeing funds growing into your account. Stop imagining. Here comes WebTalk in 2021. Are you tired of being blocked in your own post? Being locked in social jail for weeks just because you made a mistake in wording for an advertisement? WebTalk was made with the intention to protect your privacy, not to mention they're the only social media that pays you to use their services. Yes, that's right, I will say it again, you actually earn pennies from the beginning just using their service. And yes, it's 100% free to join. Free members earn, but pro members earn more. Yes, of course, I'm a pro member. For just $200 a year is normally what you spend on a pair of shoes, but I'm not going to advise you to go pro. I'll gladly keep those earnings to myself. Go ahead, join now, it's free. Check out the link below and don't wait till your favorite social media to close your account. Sign up now within the next 24 hours and I'll show you how to transfer your personal photos. Ouch, imagine your account closing and losing all that history. Don't say I didn't warn ya.